Now, Super 10 is an all-purpose cleaner. It's very economical. It substitutes a lot of other cleaning products in your home. In fact, it substitutes all of them. And most homes, I find, got more than 10 different cleaning products under their zinc. So I just want to demonstrate this to you by diluting it in a 1:10 dilution in this handy spray bottle. It's marked off like there's 1 part, and then I'm going to fill it up with water to the 10 mark, just like this. As you can see there, it's up to that little mark. Let's fill it up with water. Now this dilution, as I said, makes actually 11 liters or 22 of this half-liter spray bottles. So it is extremely economical, and we got price comparisons that show actually how it compares to the other products that I was talking about, the 10 different other products that you got under your zinc. This is so economical. So ask the person who show you this video to just share the price comparison with you. Now the nozzle can adjust. It can make like a fine mist. So you can spray it in the air as an air freshener. It takes bad smells away. It doesn't make a mixture of roses and fish or whatever. It just takes the smell away, smoke smells, any bad smells in your house. Now, I'm just going to do a demonstration for you on a piece of carpet. Now, this is the kind of carpet that you find in most homes. This is wax crayon. This is what our kids use to color in their books. So I'm going to make a nice big mark on this carpet. I hope you can all see this very clearly. So I'm just going to spray in the center of this mark so that you can see once it's clean. Now remember, I said there's no caustics in the product. So whatever surface you spray it on, just leave it for a few seconds to do the job. Whether you spray it on the bath, the tiles, the floors, everywhere. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to loosen it a little bit with my finger because pieces of wax broke off in the carpet, just like this. Give it another spray, and then what you do is you take a piece of towel. You can use paper towel, but this is a material towel, and you just put it on top of it and you dab it out. So on the floor it works easier because normally a carpet is on the floor, you can just step on it, but now I'm just dabbing it. Don't do this, no elbow grease, it makes a bigger mess. So dab it out, and voila, this is what you get. Can you see there? The spot is out and the dirt is on the carpet, on the piece of towel. So it also removes other marks, like a doggy stain on a carpet, a cup of tea that is spilled, a glass of red wine that is spilled on the carpet. So blood, lipstick, all those kind of marks you can remove with Super 10. If the surface can take water, you can use Super 10 on it. What we also do is, at your washing machine, when you spray your collars and cuffs, you can just spray the Super 10 on it, leave it for a while and put it in the washing machine instead of using other caustic stuff. And then if you make it a little bit stronger, the 1 in 3 we call the heavy duty dilution, then you can, it actually works on petroleum based oils the best, Super 10. So you can clean a car engine with it, oil marks, everything you with petroleum in, you can clean with it. And then we also find that you can clean your oven inside with it very effectively. The oven must be hot. Now instead of using a caustic product that we normally used to use, you must have masks and you must wear gloves and all that, and you cannot inhale the fumes. But with Super 10, it's so safe to, you can spray it on your hand. If you do this with a caustic product, I promise you, you will probably have a hole on the other side. But Super 10, you can even spray in your mouth. So you clean your oven inside, hot oven, spray it, leave it for 10 minutes, give it another spray, and you can and wipe it out. Even your stove tops, all kitchen areas where you work, you can clean with Super 10. Chrome kettles, the stainless steel stuff in your kitchen, you can very easily clean with the Super 10. So this is a very versatile, very economical product, and you cannot be without Super 10 in your house.